So I'm Nathan, and I'm the founder of Stella Lighting and the designer of the Stella Edge, and I wanted to do a little quick unboxing and walk you through some of the kind of key features of the product here at my workbench. So the Stella Edge will come in this box here, has some of the features along the side, and comes packed in what we refer to as pearl wool, which is a foam packaging. So when you open your box, it'll come with some operational instructions. You've got the lamp, you've got the remote, and you've got the power supply here. So I'm going to go ahead and put this together, and then we'll talk about the kind of the functionality of the light. So when I unbox this, I typically start by pulling out the edge. I'm going to strip off the protective plastic here. Kind of set that aside. Set it down here. Pull out my remote control. The Edge is controlled with the Stella Edge remote. The remote will come with a battery in place. So we'll just double check that. We've got a battery in place. It's a CR2025 battery that can be purchased at any local convenience store. And then we'll unbox our constant current power supply. So pull this out here. So this is actually a product that I designed many years ago. I just continue to love this product and its diversity. It's a great product for a lot of different uses in the creative arts category, but for the purposes today, I'm actually working at kind of my favorite workbench. So I'm actually working on a Swarovski spotting scope optic, and frankly, I just need better light. In this area, we don't have any undermount lighting, and so it's a little bit dark. So kind of putting this together, talking a little bit about the lamp itself. So we use a Philips Lumiled LED. The neck on this on the Stella Edge is flexible. It's actually 3 inches longer than our typical product, so it gives a little bit more reach. We use an injection molded plastic, and then inside the injection molded plastic is a machined piece of steel. So this clamp right here is extremely rigid and strong. When we designed it actually to fit up to about 3 1/4 inches, which is equivalent to like a Costco table, a Costco folding table. So you actually turn the dial counterclockwise, and this dial is actually over molded onto the stainless steel hardware. So why that's important is that this dial isn't just stuck on there and glued. It's actually molded over the stainless steel hardware, so you can really tighten it down. And we designed it with some ribs, so for people with the hands that aren't quite as strong, you can really tighten that down. So I'm going to open this up, open up our clamping mechanism. And as you can see, this comes with protective padding, so that as an example, if you're using it on like a wooden coffee table, it's not going to damage the wood. So I'm going to set this up here on this table, so it's going to slide on. I'm going to tighten it back down, and as I mentioned, you can really tighten this down so that it's really stable on the table. I'm going to turn and kind of flex this lamp so that it illuminates up this space that I'm looking for. Okay. We designed the remote actually to magnetize to what we call the spine of the Stella Edge, so that way you don't misplace it. So it's got magnets here, and it just magnets to the spine of the lamp. So now I want to set it up with my constant current power supply. I'm just going to undo the tie. And this is a 12-volt constant current power supply. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to plug it in over here. And then I'm going to come, and then the base of the spine is where we actually plug this in. So you'll notice when I plug the lamp in for the first time, the lamp actually flashes on and off. What that tells us is that actually the lamp is functioning properly. It's something that we designed into the lamp to make sure that everything is functioning. So from here, I'm really good to go. So again, I've got the remote control. I've got the left button, which is the power on and off. I've got the mode button, the M button, which changes the color spectrum from a warm color spectrum to a natural pure white, which is about 4,300 Kelvin, to a slightly bluer light, which is about a 5,800 Kelvin. So for my purposes today, I actually want it on its brightest setting under the white light. That gives me the best, what we call contrast and acuity. So crispness of text is an example. So contrast is black text against the white, which creates maximum contrast, which helps your eyes strain less. And then we've got really nice clean lettering. So I'm going to put my remote back here. And then again, the benefit is I can take this and twist it and turn it. So when I'm really working with something that I need good, frankly, I need good light, or in this specific situation, I've got some really, really fine threads. It's when I'm applying this to the spotting scope that we don't want to cross threads. So again, this is a product that is very diverse. You can use it at a lot of different places, from creative arts, crafting, sewing tables, things of that nature. And again, to my kind of personal favorite, which is at my workbench, creating light right here where I need it.